Hello friends, welcome back. Let us continue the gate questions. And this is the question given in the year 2021 for 2 marks based on the shear strength concept. Now if you see this question, while discussing about the normally consolidated clays or over consolidated clays, about their behavior, like whether they change in volume, how the with respect to the shear strength, how they will change and all these things we have discussed in the theory. Now, corresponding to this, if you remember, here you can see that this curve, if there is any smooth curve, understand that this you can say it is a normally consolidated clay. So for this, you can pick option as A. So only just easily we can get 2 marks in the present year gate question. Move on to the next. Following statements are related to the stress paths. If you remember the diagram, along the x-axis and along the y-axis we have represented sigma 1 plus sigma 3 by 2, and along the y sigma 1 minus sigma 3 by 2, along the x-axis p, along the y-axis q. Now see what are the statements given. This is the question given in the year 2017, 2 marks it is given. Now it is said that sigma 1 equal to sigma 3, the stress point lies at the origin of the PQ plot. If sigma 1 equal to sigma 3, what do you think that p value? Along the x-axis, sigma 1 equal to sigma 3, it will be somewhere here, but along the y-axis, it will be equal to 0. So it will not be in the origin. So point P is false. And similarly, sigma 1 equal to sigma 3, the stress point lies on the P axis of the plot. That's what, right? It will lies on the P axis. So statement Q is correct. If sigma 1 is greater than sigma 3, both stress points P and Q are positive. Yes, it's obviously right. So Q is P is false, Q is true, R is true. That means option A is the correct one. Move on to the next. A consolidated undrained. So here we are talking about consolidated undrained. Triaxial compression test is considered on a normally consolidated clay. Confining pressure is given as how much? Sigma 3 is given as 100 kilopascal. Deviator stress is given as how much? 80 kilopascal. From this you can find out sigma 1. Can you or not? How come sigma 1 minus sigma 3 equal to sigma d? That implies sigma 1 equal to sigma d plus sigma 3. How much you will get? 180 kilopascal. Pore water pressure is also given 50 kilopascal. What they're asking us to find the internal friction. Now, if it is a consolidated undrained, if it is a normally consolidated clay, your C dash will be equal to 0. That's it. Apply the equilibrium equation, that is sigma 1 dash will be sigma 3 dash into tan square of 45 plus 5 dash by 2. I don't need to write down the m there because the component is equal to 0. Sigma 1 dash 180 minus pore water pressure, 180 minus 50, 130. Sigma 3 dash 100 minus 50, 50 into tan square of 45 plus 5 dash by 2. That's it. If you solve this, you'll get this angle is around 26.4 degrees. Right? Okay. Let us see some more problems in the next lecture. Thank you.